So, ladies and gentlemen, with me today is Mr. Rikki Soni. He is the owner of Kolkata Rajarhat franchisee. Ricky has been with us for more than a year now. Ricky, would you like to introduce yourself and tell our viewers about yourself a little, your
Yeah,
background, and what exactly has been your past? Little bit.
myself, Ricky, like I was doing few businesses like before Detailing Mafia, but it was like business where I was doing online things. There was nothing like that I'm doing business in a proper way. There was a way, but it was not like this.
Right.
So
So more organized
I
now.
was yeah, I was looking for a business for the automobile itself, and I was searching for a few more options लाइक ये ऑटोमोबाइल में लाइक किस फील्ड में मेरे को जाना चाहिए या फिर ऑटोमोबाइल में मैं क्या करूँ सो आई वाज लुकिंग ऑन दैट देन डिटेलिंग माफिया जो स्टोर है लाइक द फर्स्ट स्टोर ऑफ डिटेलिंग माफिया तोप्सिया आई वेंट ओवर देयर आई टुक द सर्विसेज and after that I was watching like how they are
Impressed.
giving the services, what type of quality it is. I was observing all the things and I thought like yeah, this seems to be like a futuristic business. So I thought like I did a search on this, like what type of business is this? What is the scope on this? So I did all these things and after that I think I connected with you.
Right.
Yeah.
That's where it all
So
started, huh?
it took a long time to search the places and all that stuff. And finally,
हाँ.
after a few months,
So, this I want to highlight to my customers or my viewers actually कि finding a place in Kolkata it's not an easy task. बहुत मुश्किल हुआ, बहुत जगह देखी हमने, सॉल्ट लेक से लेके राजरहाट, कहाँ कहाँ नहीं ढूंढा, देखिए बहुत जगह ढूंढा था हम लोगों ने, राइट?
बहुत जगह like radius is around 5 kilometers जहाँ पे अभी
हाँ,
स्टोर है.
बिल्कुल. एंड वी आर दैट प्रोफेशनल और दैट कमिटेड टू आवर वर्ड्स दैट वी से कि रिक्की के चक्कर में मैंने 2-3 जनों को उनके बुकिंग वापस करी है कि भाई रिक्की को अगर जगह राजाराट बोला है तो रिक्की को ही मिलेगा. सो लो एंड बिहोल्ड रिक्की ने फाइनली एक जगह हमने ढूंढी, वो भी बड़ी मशक्कत के बाद. निपेंदा जो है हमारे लैंडलॉर्ड है, उनसे हमने फाइनल किया, वो भी एक घरेलू
Yeah.
ताल्लुकात उनसे ही बन गए. एंड it's we've never looked back from it. Ricky, thanks for first of all trusting us with your hard earned money. बहुत जरूरी चीज है वो बोलना. एंड दूसरा थोड़ा सा कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अस व्हाई डिटेलिंग माफिया? डिटेलिंग माफिया क्योंकि डिटेलिंग का काम कोलकाता में बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं. एवरीबडी इज डूइंग, मतलब यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोर. इनफैक्ट नियर टू यू आल्सो देयर आर 2-3 गुड डिटेलिंग स्टोर्स. बट व्हाई डिटेलिंग माफिया? एक्सप्लेन अस दैट.
Why detailing mafia? It's a good question. The thing is that I was a customer of detailing mafia. So while I was spending like around a lakh or 1.5 lakh, I did so much research कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, where I should get a PPF, what is a good PPF I'm getting in the market, what type of quality. I did lots of research on that. So after that, I got the detailing mafia for having PPF in my car. So I thought like for having a PPF in my car, if I went to this company, so I found the reason why I went to with this company for the PPF. I was not the investor on this. I was
Right.
a customer of the detailing mafia. So I did all these things and I got the points like this is a leading brand in India and we are getting services over here and any part of India if I get any type of problem. It's not like that I'm visiting a store, I don't know like this store will be, in the same place after 3 years or 5 years. I was not getting that much confidence.
Right.
But after that, when I, had a service from your Kolkata one branch, then what I did lots of research on the base of this company because after PPF I did all these things and after that I connected with you. So this is the reason like the product is absolutely amazing. Like it's top in the market. Many people are selling PPF, but it doesn't mean that is a good protection for the car, which I found like after applying in my car.
So the proof is in the pudding. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, हाँ?
Absolutely.
Superb, superb. So, you opened up a store. By the way, whomsoever is watching this video, I cannot, commit and rave more about the looks of the store. This store is one of my favorite stores to look and have a view of, because इनका जो customer lounge है, the look of the place, interiors, exteriors, everything is top notch. बहुत अच्छा बनाया है store. I think I'll ask my editors to add the video of the store, walk around इसका. बहुत बढ़िया बना हुआ है store and बहुत ही well maintained. Ricky has given his heart and soul to the store. In fact, इसको भी इस चीज के लिए मैंने ही पुश किया था कि भाई देख ऐसा बनाना है स्टोर, मजा आ जाएगा देखने में. And Ricky has
Lots
actually
of discussion on this.
राइट हमने बहुत डिस्कशन करी. इनफैक्ट जो हमारे आर्किटेक्ट थे उसको ही बाईपास करके हमने वी खुद आर्किटेक्ट मोड पे आ गए थे अपन, और देन वी डिड दिस होल बिजनेस अकॉर्डिंगली. सो या दैट वाज देयर. एंड नॉट डाइग्रेसिंग टू मच टुवर्ड्स इट, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, कस्टमर को कैसा लगता है जब आपके स्टोर आते हैं और जब आपके सर्विसेज होते हैं?
When customer visit the store, they feel like they are in the store where they will get a proper treatment for the car. When they give for the wash also, they just come and sit in the relax in the customer lounge and look from upstairs like how we are washing it. They observe it. It's not like that कि वो कार लाए नीचे छोड़ दिए. जब कस्टमर्स आते हैं स्टूडियो, दे लाइक टू विजिट अवर स्टूडियो. मतलब वो एक एक बारीकियां देखते हैं कि हम लोग किस तरीके से कार को क्लीन कर रहे हैं, हाउ वी आर गिविंग द सर्विसेज. बिकॉज सब स्टूडियो इस टाइप की क्वालिटी नहीं दे पाते जैसे हम लोग फ्रॉम बेसिक टू टॉप ईच एंड एवरी सर्विसेज में जो हम लोग देते हैं.
राइट,
सो दिस इज अट्रैक्ट द कस्टमर्स मोर. This is what first time like customer आते हैं, so they have many questions because they would like to get the services like on the quality basis. They judge us on the nearby stores, but after like they are getting one service or two service, they seems to like a loyal customer every time they visit our studio.
Exactly. This is something which I think I predicted you with Kolkata. The customers actually are very finicky about their services. उनको खड़े होके देखना पसंद है क्या काम हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. They are very inquisitive about what they want on their car, what is happening on their car, and that is what I appreciate about the people from Kolkata itself. People are very educated. Even the customers who come down, even if they're spending a penny, they want the bang on their buck. And they actually, if they get what they ask for, they become loyal to you, and that is something which has happened with Opsia and is happening with you also. And style is the limit in that context. And about this, you've been doing good services over there. What kind of support you think the company has been providing you? आपको support कैसा मिला है? How do you think we can do it even better?
I think from the beginning I'm getting the support from the company for searching for the location, and after that for having a conversation with the landlord. So I think I'm getting the support from the beginning itself. It's not like that कि आप लोगों ने बोला you find the place. It was not like that. I was getting cooperation from the beginning itself. Until now, if I get any type of problem, I just connect with you people and I get help on that.
Superb.
It's understand that.
Any supplements you need from us regarding more support and all?
Like I think I'm getting support the way I was looking for this, but it will be great like if if we get a support where a specific region if we can divide, because you people having like 150 plus stores, so it's hard for you also. So we do understand. This is
very soon. We are working on it. We'll be coming up with an area manager who will be supporting you in operations. Most probably based out of Kolkata itself, and most probably we will be stationing him very near to your place or maybe at your store only. You never know. So that's there. And what exactly are your plans further down the road? How are you planning to take this forward? Because obviously we know as a brand, we never settle with one store. We've come to 150 and we're looking for, 500 stores. You must be also having plans beyond this. What are your plans, Ricky?
I am planning, to complete each and everything in one place itself. Like I don't have a paint booth at the moment in my store.
Right.
So in future, I'm planning for that because many customers are looking for a place where they get the good quality of paint along with the finishing.
Exactly.
And I think there are many stores in Kolkata because customer each and every time is customer is coming for a small work also they ask, are you doing a paint job? Because I got the review and all that thing that you are doing, your perfection, the work is very fine. So they are willing like if I can open a store over here. So I'm trying to open it as soon as possible.
Right. So yeah, that's a good idea. And anyways, I've been pushing you for this, but yeah, paint booth is something which is a way to go, and very soon we'll be doing that. And apart from this, any other feedback do you have for the company or the viewers who are watching? Any message you want to give to the viewers about your store and what they can expect from us also or from you?
If you are giving, thinking like if I can say something about the store, so if the viewers are watching us, so I can say one thing like if you are looking for the product or if you are looking for anything, you need to know at least take at least one service for any type of thing before making any type of decision. Like rather, creating a story in the mind, it's better to have on that place and look on all these things. What I did before
Right.
opening the store. This
Right.
is something I have to say.
Right. So I just want to take this opportunity to tell the viewers who are watching this. We have a store in Rajarhat, Kolkata. This is a world-class it has world-class infrastructure. This store, is it's more of like a passion project for Ricky. I know him personally. I've been working with him. I helped him finalize this site. I helped him build the store. I know each and everything he has put in, the effort he's been putting in, and I can vouch for the kind of services that he does, the kind of quality he can provide. He's been very meticulous about it because he has done the same on his car, and every time something new comes, he gets his it applied on his car. We have the best possible best possible applicators that in place at bay, trained in every 6 months. The products that we use are all top 5 brands in the world, starting from Labo Cosmetica, which is an Italian product, which we use for all washes, body preps, ceramic coatings, PPF. For PPF, we use Ultra Shield and UPPF. Both brands are world class. We import them. In fact, even the brushes and the pads that we use on the cars are all imported, and the people who use them are properly trained. So you don't have to worry about your car being treated at this store. I can vouch for it. Ricky, you can meet him. You'll get the confidence about how he's been working. He is a very, very meticulous guy. He's himself has got trained in the art of detailing. He's a detailer himself. खुद से machine चला लेते हैं ये. And end of the day, if anything comes his way, he goes above and beyond to support his customers with the services. So with this, I'd like to thank the viewers for watching and thank you, Ricky, for your time. See you down the road.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.